Okay, so we don't underestimate the value of using a mobile device to practice your coding when you're on the go or just don't have access to your laptop. So let's, for example, practice a bit of JavaScript code with the code editor app. All right, so here I have a file that's already loaded up, and it has just a basic script, so we're using it inline, not creating a separate JS file. So you can see the script is defined at the top, and it continues with the rest of the file here. You see the body tag starts with HTML. So we have a form created here with 4 different options. Best thing to do is just to run it. It was already saved so that it could be run, but if you're not sure how that goes, then you would use the device manager when you're saving it and save it as an HTML file such as index.html. It doesn't have to be named index, but being that that's the first page in any website, it's not a bad idea to use that, but we could have used any other name with the HTML file. All right, so we're not opening the file anymore or saving it, so that was just a demonstration. So back to this. After you save it, then you'll be able to run the by just clicking on the run button there. So that's what we're going to do. And once we have the size selected and we click on the button that says click me, it will change. So if I check size 30, there, see, it's changed to 30. That's pixels, by the way. When we go back to the document, we see here that it's actually pixels that will be changed because the options number will be sent, and then the letters PX, if you look here, the top here, will be added to it as a text string. So one of the best ways to figure out how this works is to actually code it yourself. So you can type up the document in your favorite code editor, and you can go ahead and start it. This uses a function, and functions are a good way for us to have code that we want to reuse in many different sections of our program, of a document using that program. So it's called get option, and it is used to produce some actions when a button is clicked. So the on-click event here is going to trigger the get option. So when our button is clicked, it's going to change the font size.